These are salted caramel ice cream shooters. Look at the caramel, homeboy. Okay, dude, that sounds like a kid's early morning cartoon I was just calling out. So if you need someone to do that, hit me up in the comments below. Okay, so we start with some caramel, some sprinkles, just to create a sexy rim, okay? Just to show the curves, all right? Then we hit it with some vanilla ice cream, one of my favorite flavors. Actually, any flavor of ice cream is my favorite flavor, which is why I have the curves I do. Caramel vodka, come behind it with some vanilla vodka, but we're still not done yet. Some more caramel syrup. Why? Because what this drink needs is more sugar, okay? Then we hit it with some salt. What kind of twist is that? Holy crap. Come behind with some caramel syrup to sexify the glass, okay? Now we pour in our mix. Bingo, homeboy, this one's delicious. It'll change your life, seriously. Okay, this one will have you going to church all of a sudden. Put on some whipped cream, then we can hit it with some more caramel syrup. Bang! Delicious, beautiful, good to go. I take a little sip, okay? I don't always taste them, but sometimes I take a little sip just to test it out, do a little smell test, and it's good to go.